back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Alice. So we're gonna have Easter next month, and this video is all about Easter. I will be painting Easter-themed plastic figures, decorating a bunny-shaped bowl, making cards, and also adding more colors to some candles. So there will be spring colors, playful design, and a lot of fun. If you are interested in painting, DIY projects, or just enjoy relaxing with some art, then this channel is for you. And grab your favorite drink and some popcorn, and let's get started. The weather has been amazing lately. As summer comes to an end, I'm out again for some painting. Today I'm walking along the Yarra River, just enjoying the nice weather and view. And guess what? I came across the Moomba Festival. So this festival happens once a year and is one of Melbourne's biggest and most exciting events. There are carnival rides, live performance, fireworks, and even cool water activities happening right on the Yarra River. And they also have show bags here. I used to love getting show bags when I was younger, such as Kuromi and Hello Kitty. They usually have candle, cute toys, and all kinds of fun goodies. I wonder what they have this year.
One kangaroo.
Yeah.
Thank you. One kangaroo.
Well, I'm here to paint and create some Easter art today, so stick around as I bring some festival ideas to life. This Easter-themed plaster painting kit is something I actually bought last year, but I found it again while organizing my things recently, so it's the perfect time to use it. The kit includes 10 Easter-themed plaster figures, 6 acrylic paints, and a brush. I decided to start with a bunny first. Why a bunny? Well, rabbits are one of the most iconic symbols of Easter. They represent new beginnings, springtime, and Easter traditions. And they're just so cute. I chose a light yellow color and started painting. Painting takes patience, applying layer by layer. Time passed so fast, and now it's already dark. The second part of today's video is painting on this bunny-shaped bowl. I actually bought this bowl last year from Kmart. This year I went back for a look and saw so many cute Easter decorations. So if you are interested, you can check them out there. Painting on the bowl took longer than I expected. I had painted on a matching plate from the same collection before, so if you'd like to see that, I will leave the link in the comments. Since the plate is flat, it was easier to paint, but since the bowl is curved, it took more time to paint. The bowl itself is white, which feels a little too simple, so I added a soft blue outline around the ring and painted a small purple flower for a cute touch. Finally, I give the bunny pink eyes, and that's it! The bunny bowl is completed. Next, let's paint some candles. This is my first time painting on candles, and it's actually more fun than I expected. I bought these candles a while ago, but since I still had some left, I just put them aside. Now that I'm doing Easter-themed art, so I think it's time to decorate them too. Since candles are small, there's not much space to paint, so simple repeating patterns works best. I decided to go with pink flowers with little gold in the center. Looks soft and cute. For the second candle, I painted tiny stars, simple but pretty. Now that's it, the candles are done, and they look so cute. Now I'm continuing with the plaster figures. So far, I've finished a pink bunny, a yellow bunny, and a purple one that says Happy Easter. Now I'm painting a butterfly-shaped figure. Since the last few figures were mainly pink, yellow, and purple, I wanted to switch things up. So for this one, I'm using green as the base color. Then I'm adding blue since I haven't used it much yet. It makes the colors feel more balanced and fresh. For the details, I'm adding some pink and yellow to keep it fun and colorful. And finally, a little touch of gold to make it pop. Okay, so the butterfly figure is done. Now it's time to put all 5 painted plastic figures into this cute bunny bowl. As I was arranging them, I noticed that the bowl is quite deep, and since the figures are small, they end up getting covered. Looks like I need to fill the bottom with something to add height. Luckily, I have an empty egg carton sitting here. Well, actually I've been keeping this carton for almost 2 months, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. I just thought it was cute and kept it. Now it's time to use it. The little compartments in the egg carton are perfect for holding the plastic figures. First, I cut out the parts I needed. I've never tried this before, so I'm just going with my idea and seeing how it turns out. Okay, now let's place it inside the bowl and check the effect. Looks good. I trimmed it a bit more, cutting off the parts that were sticking out. While placing the figures in, I noticed that the two in the back row were still hidden, so I cut 2 more pieces to rise them up. Since I already did it once, the second time was much faster. Now I'm keeping adjusting the positions so that every figure is visible. Once everything is set, I place the Happy Easter figure right next to Bunny. At the end, I feel like the ring of the bow looked a bit empty, so I added a few small decorations. Okay, now is the final display. Now it's time for the final part of today's video, journaling. I love making journals. It's not only a creative process, but also a relaxing hobby. Since today's theme is all about Easter, I'm going to make an Easter-themed journal spread. I started by cutting out 2 Easter egg-shaped background papers. For the first one, I picked a textured paper as the base. After drawing the egg shape on it, I cut it out and used the dot glue to stick it onto the background. For the second background, I folded the paper in half. My idea was to turn it into a pocket so I could put some small illustrations inside. I kept adjusting the size and trimming the edges until it looked right. Now back to the first page, I chose a green decorative paper as the main design. To match the color, I also cut out a pocket shape using a similar shade of green. First, let's add a bunny. She's the star of Easter. Then I placed a small flower and tore a pink rose pattern into the right shape before sticking on it. I also added a few small decorations to complete the look. Once the pocket was attached, the journal page started coming up. To finish it off, I picked 2 small illustrations and put them inside the pocket. And that's it, here's the final journal spread. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day and I will see you next time. Bye!